Today we had 3 hikes planned, but 2 out of 3 are closed, and we understood why, because right by the side of the road we saw a grizzly bear. So the road is closed for 11 kilometers because of bear activity, and I just read that that includes a mom and her 2 cubs. So they encourage people to just move on if we see them, let them graze, they need food. So we're headed out to Dog Lake, which is the first trail that's open on this road.
This is Dog Lake Trail, and we're doing it mid-June. Mosquitoes are horrible. So if ever you do this in June, bring some bug spray.
We had to battle hundreds and hundreds of mosquitoes, but this is what it gave in the end.
I don't recommend it at all in June. Go like when it's snowing.
Why?
Because I am eating. Look at her arm. I don't know if you see it.
Eaten alive.
But
You see that?
And this is with mosquito spray.
yeah.
But the view's still worth it.
Nice positive attitude, Abby.
Go Abby!
It's itchy.
We've stopped at Kootenay Lake picnic area. Shan's made a friend with a little gopher here, and we're having a good meal with a beautiful view.